Today we're exploring the soul of Mumbai's street food, its iconic pav dishes. From the crispy and spicy Vada Pav to the rich and buttery Pav Bhaji and the fiery Misal Pav, each of these classics reflects the vibrant flavors of the city. Let's begin with Mumbai's iconic snack, Vada Pav. For this, heat some oil in a pan, add mustard seeds and let them crackle. Now add a pinch of hing, curry leaves, red chili powder, turmeric powder and chopped green chilies. Now saute for a few seconds. Next add boiled and mashed potatoes and salt, mix well and set aside to cool. For the dry masala, blend together desiccated coconut, sesame seeds, garlic and dry red chili until coarse. Now prepare the batter by combining besan, turmeric, salt, baking soda and water. Mix into a smooth, thick batter. Now shape the cooled potato mixture into equal size balls. Now heat oil for deep frying. Each potato ball into the batter, coat well and gently slide into hot oil and fry this until golden brown. Now drain on paper towels. Slice a pav in half. Place one vada inside and add green chutney and a dry masala. Your Vada Pav is ready to serve. Now let's move to Pav Bhaji. For this, heat butter in a pan, add ginger garlic paste and chopped onions. Now saute until light golden. Now add carrots, boiled peas, blanched cauliflower and beans. Cook for a few minutes. Stir in fresh tomato puree and packaged tomato puree in equal amounts. Now cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Add salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder and Pav Bhaji Masala and stir fry well. Now heat butter on a flat tawa. Slice the pav horizontally and toast lightly in the butter. Garnish the bhaji with fresh coriander leaves and an extra dollop of butter. Served hot with buttered pav. Now let's move to our last recipe, Misal Pav. In a pressure cooker, add 1 cup sprouted matki, 1 teaspoon turmeric, salt and water. Cook for 1 whistle. Now in a pan, heat oil, add garlic, onions and tomatoes. Saute well, then blend with half cup of water into a smooth paste. In the same pan, heat oil and add cumin seeds, mustard seeds, turmeric, coriander powder, cumin powder and red chili powder. Now saute all of this together. Add the prepared masala paste and cook for 5 minutes. Next, add the cooked matki with 1 cup of water. Cover and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Transfer to a serving bowl, top with farsan, chopped onions and coriander leaves. Serve with pav. And that completes our Mumbai pav trio. The crunchy Vada Pav, the buttery Pav Bhaji and the spicy Misal Pav each capture a different side of Mumbai's street food culture. Try them at home to experience the true flavors of the city. For more such easy recipes, subscribe to Times Foodie.